What's going on here? What? No RGB or heatsink? Well, we'll be taking a quick look at the T-Force T1 Gaming DDR4-2666. Well, you know RGB is all the craze these past few years. You can't actually get nothing without RGB. Well, not for Teamgroup. Their T1 T-Force DDR4 gaming memory doesn't come with a heatsink or RGB. You can actually see the bare memory chips on the PCB. These 16GB kit come in two modules of 8GB operating on a speed of DDR4-2666 on a 1.2 voltage and cast latency of 18. With no RGB or memory heatsink, there's not a lot to talk about except how well it will perform. So let's not waste any time, put these in our test rig and see how well it will actually perform. If you don't want RGB, then you might want to consider these 16GB kits from Teamgroup. It offers a very minimalistic red and black design with memory chips populated on only one side of the memory stick, while the other side has a very large T1 logo with various T-Force branding. During our benchmarks, it produced a score of 3040 in memory mark and a score of 48,651 MIPS in 7-zip. With no heatsink or heat spreader, my only concern is with heat dissipation, which means you will have limited overclocking options due to the excess heat it produces. Having said that, I was able to overclock these modules to DDR4-2800. Not a huge increase in speed, but an increase nevertheless. If you don't plan to overclock that much, then the rated speed of DDR4-2666 should be enough for most mainstream users. In conclusion, the T-Force T1 DDR4-2666 16GB kit may not be suitable for everyone, but for those who want a minimalistic design with no RGB or heatsink, then you might want to consider taking a look at these memory modules from Teamgroup. And there you have it. This is the T-Force T1 DDR4-2666 in a 16GB memory kit with no RGB or heatsink, but offering decent performance at a great price. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. You can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.